When it's time to renovate your theater space, you may know all of the basic tools you might need, like a ladder, a tape measure, a power drill, or maybe even a circular saw. But you may not have thought about these tools. So I'm going to save you the headache and suggest 10 tools that you're going to need before your theater upgrade is complete. Welcome to Genius Home Theater. We often forget about the finishing phase of the project or renovation, which unfortunately requires a totally different category of tools than what we're used to. Here are 10 tools that you can't live without and 3 bonus cool tools that I'm trying out. I'm going to add that this is not a ranked list, but feel free to rank these tools down in the comments. Let's kick off this list with the jab saw. When it's time to add those in-wall and those in-ceiling speakers, the jab saw will definitely get a workout. Cut down on the dust and just use the common jab saw. It's not fancy, but it is necessary. Next up is the miter saw. Beautifying your room with crown molding, baseboard, or acoustic panels cannot be done without the miter saw. The miter saw is a true workhorse in the finishing process of any renovation. If you have a miter saw, you probably have this one, the Pneumatic Nailer. You got to put up that freshly cut trim. Create polished projects without even swinging a hammer. The Pneumatic Nailer is the yin to the miter saw yang. Next on the list is the Franklin stud finder. Now, most stud finders will do, but this is the best one in my opinion. It's just so simple to use. Cut out all the guesswork and use a Franklin stud finder. Oh, you better get you one of these, an endoscope. Before you cut that hole in the wall, cut a small inspection hole and check the wall cavity for any wires or other obstructions first with an endoscope. Okay, we're halfway down this list with the multi-tool. This one is best for light duty projects in your home theater. Modify your AV cabinet by adding fans or maybe even enlarging that mini porthole in the back panel once and for all. And I know we all hate that.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through.
This will be you if you don't pull out your multi-tool. If you enjoy home theater and DIY, I invite you to subscribe to the channel where home theater and DIY combine. And once you're a subscriber, consider becoming a member of this channel. Support the channel and get cool perks for your support. There's a link to my video explaining memberships to Genius Home Theater in the description below. Now, back to the video. You don't want to get caught starting the project without a laser level. A good level in general is a must, but a laser level works best with your larger projects like hanging a projector screen or leveling your acoustic panels. This one comes in handy, the toner and probe set. It's time to install your speakers and terminate your network cables. And you've got a mass of speaker wire and Cat 6 cable hanging out of the wall near the back of your AV rack. Use a toner and probe set to locate the right wire for the right location. What about a hands-free flashlight, the headlamp? You might just find yourself in a crawl space or attic doing a home theater renovation or upgrade, but you won't get far if you can't see where you're going. Keep your hands free and the way lit with the headlamp. Last but not least is the label maker. Patience here will save you frustration along the line when it's time to upgrade components or do some troubleshooting. Thank me later. Man, that was a quick 10, right? And as promised, here are 3 cool new additions to my toolbox. I'm looking forward to using these benchtop tools here, this vise right here that swivels. Looking forward to using this thing here. You can unlock it, swivel it, lock your work in over top of or on the outside if you have something that's a little bit more awkward. This thing right here is a spindle sander right here, and it locks down to your table here for your sanding small projects or whatever, and it all packs away. And finally, this file sander right here. It's pretty cool file sander right here, so I can't wait to test this thing out.
Impressive. Most impressive.
Hey, there was some great tools on that list, right? Some common, some not so common. You'll discover that the closer you get to finishing your space, the more specialized the tools will become. These are also the same tools that are required before you convert a living room or a spare bedroom into your new movie watching oasis. So be prepared for anything with these not so common tools. Take it from me, they'll make your life a whole lot easier. Or you might have some better suggestions. So in your experience, what tool or device should be on this list of must-haves for building or renovating your dream theater space? Well, it's time to go get them. Go do something in your home theater space today that you can be proud of. This is Genius Home Theater. My name is Ron, and I'll see you in the next one.